We continue to help you prepare for the upcoming elections. Tonight, we focus on Proposition 36. It would change California's three strikes law and allow thousands of inmates in prison to apply for resentencing. 23 ABC's Chris Ornelas in our newsroom tonight with both sides of this issue. Chris?
Well, Todd, right now the three strikes law can send someone to prison for a life sentence even if the third felony is not serious or violent. Those in favor of Prop 36 say that was not the original intent of the law. Meet Josie Salas. She says her brother is in prison serving 25 years to life for joyriding.
I feel he's been in there too long. 16 years is too long for joyriding.
Salas is part of the local group in favor of Prop 36. She says her brother is now 53 years old and suffers from diabetes and hepatitis. If Prop 36 passes, it would allow about 4,000 three-strikers like Salas's brother to petition to be resentenced.
It's going to create huge amounts of work for the courts, for prosecutors, for defense attorneys.
The law would also mean a person couldn't get their third strike unless their offense was a serious or violent felony. Those against changing the three strikes law say it's not about how serious the third strike is.
You're not being sentenced to 25 to life because you stole a bike. You're being sentenced to 25 to life because over your adult life you have committed at least 2 serious and violent felonies.
Those in favor of Prop 36 say changing three strikes will make our prisons more humane and more cost-effective, and the millions they say it will save can be used for schools.
We don't want them to get rid of the three strikes. We just want it to be reformed because it's too harsh.
Salas feels the last attempt to change the law in 2004 failed because voters didn't understand it.
I know it didn't pass because a lot of people thought it was because of these murders, these rapists, and these child molesters were going to get out. That's why I think that it didn't pass.
Those who support the change say that's not the case, and any three strikers with rapes and murders on their records will not be eligible for release. Those against 36 say the current three strikes law works.
If you look at the figures, for violent crimes, they were down, and three strikes has to have played a part in that.
Now, 23 ABC wants to make sure you have everything you need to make an informed decision in this election. To see all of the propositions on the ballot and the pros and cons of each, just log on to our website, turnto23.com, and click on the Election 2012 button. In the newsroom, Chris Ornelas, 23 ABC.